Hey guys, so today's video is a Dollar Tree fall and Halloween haul. I'm really excited about it because I have a surprise giveaway at the end, but I guess it's not a surprise because I just told you about it. But anyway, there's a great big giveaway at the end of this video, and all the details will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned so you can see what it is. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I've got are these little witch legs, and they are so cute. So they come on this little hook, right? And then it's got like the stockings and then a felt shoe. So they have them in the orange, the green, and the purple. I loved all three, so I couldn't decide which one to get, so I got one of each. But I thought these would be really cute in a wreath, you know, and you can use like the deco mesh and then have the witch's legs hanging from it. But I also thought it might be neat to cut these open and stuff them, and then they could be like the legs that are in the planners, you know, like you see on Pinterest. So I got those, and I'm trying to stay with the Halloween stuff. I also got these stickers. They say boo, eek, boo, happy Halloween. No. Just Halloween, but they're glitter and they're really cute. I thought those were neat. Let's see. I almost forgot these. These are the bats, and they're like hard plastic, and they hang down. See their little eyes. Super cute. I thought that was really cute. All right, I think that's all of the Halloween. So we're going to move on to the fall. So the first thing that I got were these little bows. And I seen Nicole Burgess haul these on her Dollar Tree Thursday. She got the ones with the maple leaves, but I thought these with the stripes were really cute, so I picked up these. I also got these fall leaves. She showed these in her Dollar Tree video as well. And they have this stem here. And I thought these would be really cute to make into the wreaths, like what she was talking about. So if you've not watched Nicole Burgess's Dollar Tree hauls, she's the best. Alright, then I got these little salt and pepper shakers. Like one's a little fat pumpkin, one's a taller skinny pumpkin. Thought they were really cute. I know everybody's been loving the white, so we got a white ceramic pumpkin. Super cute. We also got the burlap pumpkin, and I checked its stem, still good. This is a lighter burlap, and this one's kind of a darker burlap, and its stem is a little loose, but nothing a little bit of hot glue can't fix. Really cute. Alright, let's stay with the pumpkins. The next thing I got was this set of 3 white pumpkins, and they come with clips, so that you could clip them on a wreath. But I really think you could probably just pull the clip out if you wanted to. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, darn it, I just seen that had yellow on it. Well, that's okay. If it's in the wreath, you'd never see it anyway. So we got 2 packs of those. Alrighty, let's see. Next I got some fake flowers, and I got these because they had the cotton in them. And I know that everybody's been loving the cotton. I could not find any that just had the cotton in it at my Dollar Tree, but I thought these were cute too. They have the little acorns and these heathers. I thought they were really cute. So we got 2 of them, and then I got the one with the red. I thought that was cute. So there's 3 total of those. Okay. Alright, there's so much here. Dollar Tree had a ton of stuff out, and I don't think it's everything. I think there's going to be a lot more. This was also on my wish list. Like, this was the #1 thing I had to have, and I seen it in Nicole Burgess's video. And so what it is it's these little metal pieces of, I don't know how to say it. It's words, okay? I'm going to open this one and show you. And there's endless things you can do with it. You get 3 in the bag for $1. So this one says Harvest. And they're, you know, a little flexible, but not bad. And then this one says Welcome. I really like it. They're about an inch. No. Yeah, an inch tall. And then this one says Thankful. And I just love it. I think it's so cute. I really like those. Those were the thing I was most excited to find at the Dollar Tree. They're really cute. Okay, next I got this little magnet set. So cute. So it's a little little boy, I think. Yeah, it's a little scarecrow boy. Yeah, scarecrow boy. He's really cute. I thought this would be cute for like the kids to put. Well, I only have one child, but if it's in the giveaway, it would be cute for someone's kids to decorate their refrigerator with. Alright. Okay, so next I got these little scarecrow picks. So cute. They have little bows as an accent. They're really cute. They, you know, even if you don't put these in a wreath, which I think is what they're for, obviously they're picks, but you could take the sticks off. I don't know why you take the sticks off. Never mind. I wouldn't take the sticks off. But you could put them in a floral arrangement inside the house. They could go in planters. There's lots of things that you can do with these. And I'm sure there's more YouTube videos that show you what you could actually do with all those cute little picks. So, the next thing I found was this scarecrow. And he is so cute. I love his little bow tie. So sweet. And they had tons of colors. They had blue, green, brown, I think, as his pants. But this one had the little suspenders, and I thought that was so sweet. Next, they had the little standing ones. So, see, they're freestanding. And this one's really cute. He's blue, and he's got a little green bow tie. And then this one is orange, like the first one. But I thought, how cute would these be? Like, you could put them together, you know, even on like your countertop or something. Alright, next are the suns, and I got a little crazy with them. I just love them. I can't choose which one I like the most. And so this one says Harvest Blessings, and it's got big sunflowers on it. And you can see, I mean, it's as tall as my head, but it's so cute. It's not bendable at all. You know, it's got the burlap or the twine to hold it up. So one of those. And then I love this saying, Bless Our Home. And it's just got the pumpkins. So sweet. And then the last one I got, I had to have it, of course. It had the red truck. So I know, like in Nicole Burgess's videos, she talks about how she doesn't like the glitter. I personally, I don't mind the glitter. It doesn't bother me. But you can spray it with the, well, that's not coming off. So, yeah, it didn't come off at all. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, none of the glitter's coming off. So, that don't bother me. I don't, however, like that it dangles. That kind of drives me crazy. I don't know if there's a way to make it not do that. If there is, I'll find it. But I love it. I know the red truck is popular. Super cute. It just says Happy Fall. Alright, so that is everything, you guys. That is my entire Dollar Tree fall haul. See the mess behind me? That's because we're renovating our basement. Yes, it is that much of a headache. But when it's done, I will have before pictures of it. But I am going to do a walkthrough, we redid our basement video, vlog, whatever you want to call it, so that you guys can see what all we've done to it to change it. And you will see some before pictures of stuff we've done. But now, on to the important part, the giveaway. So everything you just seen in this fall haul video is the giveaway. I'm going to give every single thing I showed away in the giveaway. So if you want to win, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below whether you like this video or not, and give it a thumbs up. Those are the 3 stipulations: a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. And in the comments, leave me an idea for a future video, what you guys want to see, because I want to make content that you guys want to watch. So, let's see, today is Friday, August 3rd. So, I'll announce the winner in the comment. No, not in the comments. In the information part of the video, of this video. A week from today, I'll put in there who the winner is. And then we'll figure out how, to contact me to get your address and stuff. But, yeah, that's it. All you have to do. Thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. Comment. I'm so bad at this. This is my first giveaway. So, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. That's all you have to do to win. So, if you want to see more Dollar Tree hauls, keep watching my channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.